After installing Microsoft 365 apps, the first thing you'll probably want to do is check your work email in Outlook. Here's how to get started. Open the Start menu, search for Outlook, and select it. Enter the email address associated with your Microsoft 365 Business subscription. Select Connect. Enter any additional email addresses that you want to use, such as your previous or personal email address. Select Next. Enter your password, and select Sign In. Once all of your accounts have been added, choose if you want to set up Outlook Mobile or wait until later. Then select Done. It may take several minutes for Outlook to download your email and other information. Now you can view email for the accounts you added. You can also view your calendar, contacts, and more.